Hello and welcome guys, my name is Iqbal and you are watching Techy Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable two-step verification on your Gmail account. But before starting the video, I want to clear that there are three ways to enable two-step verification on your Gmail. In first way, Google will send you a prompt for logging in your Google account. For second way, you have to enter your phone number and Google will send you an SMS or a phone call. Or for third, you have to purchase a physical key by which you will be able to verify yourself for logging your Google account. Let's jump into the video. Hello guys, for the process of two-step verification, I am on my phone screen. Here you have to open Play Store or you can open any of the Google application. After opening the application, click on the profile icon on the top right corner and click on the Google account. On this page, scroll right and click on the Security tab. Scroll down and click on two-step verification. Scroll down and here you have to click on Get Started. And click on Continue. Here Google will ask you to give your fingerprint, or in your mobile it can also ask you to add PIN or pattern. I am verifying myself. After this process, some loading will appear. Here you can click on Continue and use your phone as a two-step verification key. But there are some more options. You can click on Show More option. There are two more ways. One, text message or voice call, and second, security key, in which you have to buy a physical security key for signing in your Google account. The text message and voice call, here you have to enter your phone number. Here you have to verify your phone number and have to choose text message or phone call, and Google will send you a text message or phone call every time you or anybody will try to log in your Google account. If this video helped you, please click on the like button. If you are facing any problem, comment down. I will help you as soon as possible. That's me, Iqbal, signing out.